Hey guys, so today we have a subscription box that I've had one time before and I absolutely loved it last time, and that is Jarmabox. So if you didn't see me open this last time, it's basically a quarterly subscription box. It is a UK box, but they do ship it worldwide, and it contains loads of really like high-end beauty and body products mainly, and then also a pair of pajamas. So this is the summer edit. It's worth over £250, which is insane, and these cost £70 a quarter. So it is quite expensive. It is one of the, you know, more expensive kind of subscription boxes that I've seen out there, but the stuff in this really is worth a lot more than the box. It does give me like a little thing in it that tells you the prices and stuff, but I have Googled. I did Google last time and I Googled this time as well to just double check that they were actually really the prices on other websites, and they are. So you're definitely getting a good deal if you do love trying new beauty products and stuff like that. And also the pajamas that I got last time are literally like some of my favorite pajamas ever. They are so comfy, they're so soft, I absolutely love them. They're like really good quality. So we are gonna open this together and show you what is in there. I have had a little tiny sneak peek, but I've not really got anything out. So I will show you what it looks like when you open it up. So you get this nice little marbly kind of effect box, and it has like a magnetic closure as well, so you can definitely keep these as little storage boxes or memory boxes or something if you wanted to. And then it's all very nicely packaged. So like I said, this is the summer edit. It's got like a animal kind of tropical kind of theme going on. It's giving expensive holiday there on that card. I do also have a code, by the way, that gets you 2 free complimentary gifts with your first box if you are going to sign up to this. So I'll put it here on the screen now, but it's LL-SU24. So LL-SU24 gets you 2 free things. I do have those to show you, so I'll show you what things you get for free when we're going through it. I've also just scanned the little QR code so that we can go through like the prices and everything in the box, so we will do that as we go. So first I'll show you the complimentary gifts that you get if you use that code and it's your first box. You get these 2. So this one is Skimono beauty masks, total conditioning sock masks. So it says a deeply replenishing serum foot mask packed with shea butter, olive oil, tea tree and chamomile. So that is a little foot mask. And then we have this one, which is the same brand, but this one is the hand masks. So this one is revitalizing serum enriched with shea butter, aloe vera and hyaluronic acid in an innovative glove mask. So obviously 2 feet and 2 hands in there, and these are really expensive. I saw they're not on the little leaflet because only the people that use the code will get these, but these are like £10 each on other websites, so they must be quite luxurious ones, I would say. So that's already £20 there that we have like for free. So that is a little hand and foot mask. Then right on the top we have our pajamas. Now, as it's the summer edit, these are shorts pajamas. Last time I got like long leg, long sleeve pajamas. I think this is short sleeve, short leg pajamas, but they come with a little matching scrunchie, which is so cute. So the theme of these ones, they are called Vintage Indian Summer, and they retail for £40. Now I know that sounds quite expensive. I am one of those people that just buys like Primark pajamas super cheap, but honestly the quality of these, like I said, the last ones I have are literally the best pajamas I own. I'll try and get them out and show you if I can. I know you're not probably going to be able to see that great on camera, but I will show you what they look like out. So I got these, what size did I get these in? I got these in a medium. I'm like a 12 to 14 UK, and I got a medium last time and they fit perfect, so I stayed with that sizing. So that is what the top looks like. It has a little kind of collared part here, and then buttons down the front. Super stretchy, so you're not getting like trapped in really uncomfortable pajamas. They are very heavy, but they do keep you cool. They don't like keep the heat in, which I love. So that is the top, and then this is the bottoms, just little shorts with a little bow on the front. Very cute. And then, like I said, a matching little hair scrunchie, which I absolutely love because I love shoving my hair up at night time. I don't usually wear my hair up on camera, I usually have it down. Today it's just so hot here, so I had to have it up. But at night time I do just love shoving a bobble in my hair. So that is the little pajamas that you get. And then I will quickly show you what it looks like in here. This is all of our beauty things we have. So I'm going to just start from the top of the list and work downwards. So the first one that we have is a Kate Somerville Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer in 50 milliliters. So this says, packed with 2 of the most skin transforming ingredients, my powerhouse formula turns back the clock and reveals skin that is visibly nourished, firmer and brighter. Like I said, it's got retinol and vitamin C in it, and the recommended price for this one is £84, which is insane. I would never spend £84 on a moisturizer just purely because I couldn't afford it, honestly. Very excited to try this though. I kind of hope that I don't really love all of these, because if I do, then I'm gonna have to go back to like rubbish ones after using it. But yeah, we've already covered the whole price of the box just with this. So £84 on other websites for the Kate Somerville moisturizer. I'll get it out to show you actually, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Because I'm not even showing you. So it looks like this. Very posh, white and gold. Oh, it's got a little pushy lid. I'm not going to do it right now, but it's one of those that you push and it like comes out of the middle. Very nice. So that is that. Then next we have Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Hair Mask Travel Kit. It says super nourishing hair mask and 2-tiered tangle tamer. So I've never used this stuff before. Apparently the price on this is £25. So there is 2 things in here. We have a little brush and a little mask. So that is what the mask looks like. I'm assuming you do it in the shower. Yeah, after shampoo. So that's kind of like a hair mask conditioner kind of thing. And then this is the tangle teaser. I can smell this literally through the packaging. It smells incredible. Like really sweet, kind of florally coconut, so definitely excited to give that a try. That is the Coco and Eve Hair Mask Travel Kit. Then next we have the OPI Pro Spa Skincare Hand and Feet Nail and Cuticle Oil. I used to be absolutely obsessed with OPI when I was younger. I had so many of their things, the moisturizers, all the nail varnishes, everything. Never tried this though, so that's really nice to have. Just a little nail and cuticle oil. This one is recommended retail price £20. So again, another nice nail item for £20. Very cute. I'm kind of tempted to smell it because it says it's like white tea scented and stuff. I'm going to open it. Is that weird? Probably, but let's have a smell, see if it smells nice, because it's going to go on your hands, so. Oh yeah, very fresh. Quite a summery smell, I would say. It's got a little brush, like a nail varnish, but it is just an oil in there. So that is that. I stick nails on all the time, so I definitely need some oil on there. Then next we have an eye cream that I'm going to absolutely butcher the name of. I don't know if it's Nux or Nukes or what that name is, but bio-organic reviving eye care, anti-puffiness, anti-dark circles with buckwheat. I love an eye cream. I have really bad eye bags, not really underneath my eyes, but they kind of go like down onto my cheeks down here. I have tried to do things to fix them in the past, like get filler and Botox and stuff like that. I think it's a muscle thing that I've got going on there, so they kind of never go away. But I do love to try eye creams though, because you never know, one might help one day. And the RRP on this is £25. So again, another nice product to try that I probably wouldn't have been able to afford and get usually. That is our little eye cream. And then we've got a little candle from that same brand. So Nux, Paris, whatever the brand is called. I am not even going to try to pronounce this name here. It says it's a neroli scented candle. I have no idea what neroli is, but it does say that it's a bougie candle, which fair enough, I guess. Let's smell this and see what it's like. So it's got the cute little green label on the front. Oh, okay, so I would say definitely a floral smell. Not my kind of thing personally. I'm more of a fruity and sweet kind of person, but it is very nice though. And again, the price of this one is £12. So you could definitely gift these as gifts if they're not something that you would use. Like this, for example, when it comes to Christmas time, I'm sure that someone else like in my family or something would love this. So definitely cute little gifts if you don't use any of these things. Then we have 4 things left. So the next one is Perricone MD No Makeup Easy Rinse Makeup Removing Cleanser. This is a 59ml, and I don't know if it's got a little seal on it. It has. I'm not going to take the seal off just because I'm not sure when I'm going to use it or anything. But this one's RRP is £16, so quite an expensive makeup cleanser. I have never really used makeup cleanser. I'm more of a wipes kind of person, but I will definitely give it a go. So we have one of those. Then next we have another one that I'm gonna butcher. Gatineau Paris, maybe? I'm not sure. Golden Glow Gradual Tan. Now, as you can see, I glow white like a ghost. I do not tan. When I've tried to tan, I just go bright orange. Gradual tan, I used to try when I was in school because people would make fun of how pale I was. As I've got older, I've just got used to being so pale. But I'll definitely give it a go though, just in case it's absolutely amazing. This one says it builds an effortless, natural and even tan formulated with coconut oil and vitamin E. So I'll try this on my legs or something, just a place that I can hide in case it doesn't go well for me. But I do like that they added one of those in there though in the summer edition. And the recommended price of this one is £20. So we will try that out sometime. If it goes incredibly and it looks amazing, I will post it on Instagram. If you're not already following me, then please do. It's Lunalily YouTube. I'll put it down below. But yeah, in the next few days, maybe I'll try this out, and if it goes really, really well, then I will show you. So there is that. And then we have this. So this is another mask, the same brand as the ones at the very beginning that you get as like a complimentary gift, but this one just comes in a box. And again, it's Skimono Beauty Masks, but this one is a really weird one that I've never heard of before. This is a face mask for after sun. So it says a soothing serum enriched with aloe vera, cucumber and natural extract of Edelweiss in an innovative biocellulose mask. So this is for if you've been in the sun. It's for dry, damaged skin. I just think that an after sun mask is so unusual. It's like one of those little sheet face masks. Weird. And also very expensive because the RRP of this is £15 just for one mask. So like I said, I'm not a sun person. I don't really sunbathe or anything, but I might keep this just in case like one day I do get burnt or something like that. If we go out or like go on holiday and I get burnt, I'll keep it. I might as well. So yeah, a little after sun face mask. And then the last thing that I'm really excited to try, I'm going to go put in the fridge after this and have it later on tonight, is an Activate Tropical Boost Sparkling Water. It's got 100% vitamin B5, B6, B9, B12, C and D with zinc and magnesium, and it's no sugar. So 1, I love tropical flavoured things. 2, like I said, it's boiling here today. It's like 26 degrees or something like that, so having a nice like tropical drink is great. And 3, I love vitamin water. We used to have vitamin water here in the UK and then they stopped doing it for some reason. Now we have these like off-brand ones that taste kind of gross, I personally think. So if I found one that I really loved, that would be so nice. I also like that it's sparkling as well and comes in like a can. The price of this one is £1.25, so not too unreasonable. Pretty much the same price as like a Monster would be or a Red Bull or something like that. So yeah, a little Activate drink. And yeah, that was everything in the Jarmabox 2024 summer edit. I will put all of the information for them down below. Like I said, it is a quarterly box and it's £70. They do post it worldwide. Use the code if you are going to get one because obviously you get free gifts, so why would you not? I will quickly go over it again. I'm not going to be able to hold everything because it was heavy and like big boxes, but as I'm putting them back in the box, I will show you everything really quickly once again. So we got the Activit sparkling water drink, the Skin Mono After Sun Beauty Mask, the Perricone MD Easy Rinse Makeup Removing Cleanser, the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Hair Mask Travel Kit with the mask and brush, the Gatineau Paris Golden Glow Gradual Tan, the OPI Pro Spa Nail and Cuticle Oil, the Nooks Paris Eye Cream, Bio Organic Eye Cream, the same brand of Neroli Candle, the Kate Somerville Retinol Vitamin C Firm and Brighten Face Moisturiser, the 2 masks that were the little complimentary gift with the code. So we have the Intense Nourishment and Totally Conditioning Foot and Hand Masks, and of course the whole point of the box, the cute little Indian summer pajamas, the shorts, the scrunchie, and the top as well. Later tonight I'm gonna put these on, put my hair up with the scrunchie, put like the foot and hand masks on, drink my vitamin drink. I am gonna be living the life. I loved this box. I loved the last box that they sent. I love that it's such expensive like items that I would never usually be able to buy. I would never go for like an £80 face cream usually, so getting to try that is great. It is a little expensive. It is £70 like I said, but £250 worth of stuff is insane. So I do really recommend this one. I do actually really love when they send me this one. They did send this to me to show you guys, so thanks to them for that obviously. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one, if you're going to get it or not, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.